Selecting a private high school is a significant commitment of tuition, time, and academic focus. It's an investment in your child's home for the next 4 years. For students aiming for top-tier college admissions, a high-level track in science, technology, engineering, and math is now a standard requirement. The problem is that most elite schools use the same vocabulary. When every course catalog promises innovation and world-class labs, the options begin to feel indistinguishable. To find the right fit, we have to look past the marketing. We're analyzing 3 prominent Charlotte area schools: Davidson Day, Charlotte Christian, and Charlotte Latin. Despite sharing the same buzzwords, these 3 schools have built their programs on very different educational philosophies, each designed to develop a different type of student. Finding the right match requires looking at your child's specific interests today to see which programmatic personality will best support them. To make this comparison practical, we'll use 3 distinct student archetypes: the academic researcher, the tech versatilist, and the applied engineer. Matching your student to the right archetype gives you a specific lens to view these schools, helping you move past broad slogans and evaluate the actual curricular path your child will follow. Davidson Day is the primary destination for the academic researcher, the student who is likely headed toward a pre-med or clinical science path in college. Their STEM diploma is highly structured. It mandates that students complete 4 lab science courses specifically at the honors or AP level. The math requirements are just as rigorous. Students are expected to push beyond the standard high school sequence to support their scientific work. This math course progression chart shows how steep the climb is. The grade 12 column on the right reveals high-level AP tracks, reaching its ceiling with linear algebra and multivariable calculus, essentially second-year university mathematics completed in high school. To apply this knowledge, the school requires a 100-hour immersive practicum, often involving medical shadowing or research in a professional laboratory. All of this culminates in the Capstone Research Honors course, where seniors design, execute, and present an original academic argument to a conference of their peers. The trade-off for this depth is flexibility. A schedule filled with double-stacked AP Sciences and a mandatory 100-hour internship leaves little room for broad exploration in the arts or humanities. But for a student aiming for a PhD or a career in medicine, this focused rigidity provides the exact preparation they'll need for university-level research. If your child is more interested in digital ecosystems and software, Charlotte Christian is tailored for the tech versatilist. As an Apple-distinguished school, they use a device-forward approach where technology is integrated into the daily curriculum to support student creation. Their curriculum focuses on actual product development. Students learn to use professional tools like Swift to prototype and build their own apps. This list of technology electives shows the program's breadth. Courses like Data Analysis and Computer Science 2 Honors move beyond basic coding. The school then bridges software and hardware, where students program microcontrollers to drive physical objects in engineering and robotics. This is put into practice through their VEX robotics team, where students apply their coding skills to build robots that can navigate obstacles autonomously. To support these technical tracks, they also offer collegiate-level math, like Calculus 3, ensuring students have the mathematical logic required for advanced programming. The trade-off here is the level of physical fabrication. The program prioritizes software, data, and sensor-based robotics over heavy-duty manufacturing or industrial design. This makes Charlotte Christian a strong fit for the student who wants a well-rounded toolkit in coding and digital product design. For the student who wants to build and manufacture, Charlotte Latin is the definitive environment for the applied engineer. The centerpiece of their program is a university-caliber fab lab, which operates in partnership with MIT's Center for Bits and Atoms. In this environment, students use industrial tools like laser cutters and 3D printers to turn their digital designs into physical working machines. Their electives are highly specialized for builders, featuring courses like civil engineering and projects focused on making mechanical parts move. They back this up with a science tract that emphasizes the laws of the physical world, pushing students into AP Physics C courses that cover mechanics and electromagnetism. The goal is for students to graduate with professional-level project management skills and the ability to manufacture real solutions to complex problems. Their curriculum is designed to mirror the real world, where testing a prototype and learning from failure is a necessary part of the design process. The trade-off is the intensity of the physics and mechanics. This path is heavily focused on the physical world, which might be less appealing to a student who prefers pure biology or abstract data. But if your student's instinct is to weld, build, and understand physical forces, Charlotte Lattin's manufacturing-heavy approach is unmatched in the region. When choosing between these schools, the most important factor isn't the campus architecture. It's whether the school's end goal aligns with your child's natural interests. Find the right match by observing what your student explores in their free time. If they gravitate toward biology, Davidson Day's research model fits best. For building apps and manipulating data, choose Charlotte Christian. To manufacture physical objects, Charlotte Lattin provides the essential industrial tools. Choosing a school where the philosophy matches your child's aptitude reduces friction in their daily schedule. It ensures they graduate with the specific technical depth and intellectual habits that will help them succeed in college and beyond.